Ryan Salazar here with Broadcast Beat's IBC show coverage. Today we've got an interview right from the RAI in Amsterdam. Our good friend Ray Thompson, Vice President of Business Development at ScaleLogic, Hall 7, stand H39. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for the interview today.
Thanks for being with us. So what is HyperFS and why is it so important in a broadcast environment?
Well, so HyperFS is a high-performance file system that basically connects SANs, NAS devices, all in one single namespace. So why would anybody care about that? Because if you have these heterogeneous environments where you have an Avid or a Final Cut or Adobe all sitting in a single production environment, whether it be a small production house with 2 to 5 seats or a large enterprise that has 150 seats, the HyperFS basically joins these islands of technologies, enables sharing while also managing the storage. So it's managing your tier 1 storage, your tier 2 storage, and any type of archive. So whether it be tape or object store, it's all managed using the HyperFS file system.
So what problems does HyperFS address and what are the key benefits?
So HyperFS is enabling sharing of media assets across multiple platforms, again in heterogeneous environments where people can be working on the same project at the same time without worrying about stepping on each other's toes. And so you're sharing bins, you're sharing projects, you're also managing that media throughout your infrastructure. So if you need content on tier 1 storage, the file system can migrate that content to tier 1. Once the group is done working on that piece of media, it'll then migrate that based on policies to a tier 2 and ultimately to an archive. And that archive could be tape, could be object store, and then whenever that content needs to be called back up, it quickly gets recalled using the file system, and it's been tested with the top MAM systems, editing systems, playout systems, transcode systems across the board, and so that's why it's very unique. And what puts it at the top spot in the market is the price point. So we can do everything that most of these other file systems that can do out there in the market, but we do it at a much cheaper price rate.
Let's talk about your storage offerings and products.
Sure. So ScaleLogic has 2 main offerings. One is called Synergy. Synergy is an appliance that has 2 servers inside. One server runs the SAN management, HyperFS, and then the other one can run really anything. You can run a MAM system, for example, and it's all in one simple deployable appliance. You have 2 racks of storage, so it's available in a 2U or a 4U. And what this enables you to do is really have a plug-and-play, small footprint device that can manage an entire environment and scales pretty much infinitely. And then our other storage offering is the Genesis NX series of storage. Essentially, this is your cheap and deep storage that has its own RAID software that ScaleLogic wrote that basically enables high performance production environments, whether it be editing or playout or ingest, and it's all running on a very simple, low cost, highly scalable set of storage.
All right, so what is media storage services and what makes it so compelling?
So media storage services is ScaleLogic's hardware extended warranty program. And so what we're finding when we talk to broadcasters is they may have something like Isilon, or they may have HP enterprise storage, they may have NetApp storage, and essentially at the end of 3 years, these broadcasters are getting a bill for a very pricey, extended hardware maintenance program, or they're getting asked to do a forklift upgrade, right? So basically remove that system and upgrade to the latest and greatest. Well, what we offer is a way to extend the life of that environment through the Media Storage Services program, and we're offering a way to extend that at a much lower price point. So there's a couple components of the program. It's not just the extended warranty piece, but we also do an assessment of the environment. We'll value what you currently have. We'll see if some of the things that you have actually have value, where we can swap it out and actually pay you money for some of your older infrastructure and then update it to the latest and greatest. We also do e-waste, so we can look at what you have laying around and remove that. And if it doesn't have any real value, then we'll basically just get rid of it for you. it does add value, we'll apply that to the cost of the extended maintenance program. And it gives really broadcasters a way to extend an environment that typically after 3 years is finally running the way they want it to. So we're allowing them to buy more time, get a higher ROI on the existing infrastructure, while giving them more time to sort of pick what the next direction is going to be for the platform.
Again, all the way from Amsterdam at the RAI, Hall 7, stand H39. That's Ray Thompson, Vice President of Business Development at ScaleLogic. Thank you so much for spending some time with us, and have a great rest of your IBC show.
Excellent. Thank you very much.